So welcome back, fellow coin collectors. This is Glenn, back with another video, and I hope this one actually works so it doesn't freeze. So these coins I actually got from Estonia, and I actually like to call this the Red Estonian, even though red is not part of the national flag. That is white, blue and black. But he just likes red sticky tape, so I've brought off him a few times, and every time it's just been red sticky tape in some coin covers. I actually purchase a lot of German coins. I actually do resell them. Well, I resell some anyway. I don't resell all. Like I got a 4 Fenny coming from 1932, I believe. Can't remember the date. Pretty expensive coin, but that one's going in my collection. And, oops, nearly knocked the camera over. God. Silly Glenn, what you doing? And what have we got here? So let's take these coins out. Ooh, I've got one from Serbia that I actually haven't got before. US, Germany, 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 and oops, let's have a look. Ooh, 20 shilling. Okay, so the first coin I got is an Ethiopian coin. I've got quite a few of these. I'm just fascinated. The 50, I think, was it monotems? Is actually the easiest coin of the 1931 series to get. Come on. Ah, there you go, focus. So there's beautiful Ethiopian lion. And on the other side, we have a portrait of the monarch. Can't remember his name. Here we have the date. So we have the date over here, and here's just the inscription in Amharic, and it's one of the most beautiful coins I've ever seen. It's a beautiful coin, that one. Okay, the next one, a more modern coin from Austria, 20 shillings. So these circulated along with the coin. Oh, this one is a die crack, it looks like up there. Never actually saw that on the actual image. So, die crack, or is it just some stuff? I need to look into that. Might be an error, could be glue, but 20 shillings. And when it circulates, equivalent to about $2. But a big coin anyway. And this one, 850 years of the Dome of St. Stephen. So, Dome of St. Stephen, it might be in Salzburg, not too sure. I need to look that coin up. But first time I've actually got a 20 shilling coin. It goes into the collection. Then I have, I've got these, a few of these before, 1935, 1934, one Reichsmark. So these were first issued in 1933 under the German Reich. So this is A, this is J. I think J's Hamburg from memory. Can never remember the mint marks, only the A. So the A is Berlin. B was Vienna, but in the earlier times B was actually another city. Then we have a 10 Reichspfennig. So this aluminium bronze coin, small coin, 1938. With the Deutsches Reich, Drittes Reich. And the mint mark, I think that might be Hamburg. Then we have a 1923, pretty good condition. This has Abraham Lincoln on it. And it's a wheat penny. Now it's called a wheat penny because on here we have some wheat. And it's a pretty boring coin. The actual Indian series that was in circulation before this one is actually a lot better. So I need to look that up. It's probably at least 100 million of those minted. Then we have a 20 filler. This is from Hungary. So KB. And 1908, so this is the Austria-Hungarian Empire. And a coin I haven't got, so I'm actually going to keep this. Is it milled? Yes, it is. So this is either a copper nickel or nickel coin. Can't remember which one it is. And I actually didn't issue a 50 filler. The next coin was 1 krona. So this is a 1-2 system pretty much. So 1-2 filler, 10-20 filler, 1-2. Oh, actually, they did issue a 5 krona and 10, 20, 50 krona. Then we have a coin from the German puppet state of Slovakia. And this was issued during the Second World War. Had an exchange rate 1 Czechoslovak koruna. And after the war, it also had the same exchange rate. I've actually got a few other coins. Okay, so here we go. Here's the actual, oops, dropped that one. So here's the 1940-46. As you can see, they have a Slovak cross, and this one has a Slovak cross in the center, and the Czech lion. And on the other side, so this coin is actually similar, but just smaller than the coin that was issued before the Second World War. So from 1923 or 22 to 1938, and that's a nice coin. Copper nickel, copper nickel. And the last one I haven't got before. So this is a Serbia. So we've got Serbia. Petar the first, King of Serbia. And this one's dated 1912. And poor Serbia, during the First World War, they lost a hell of a lot of their population. But this is a 1 dinar, and the first coin I've actually got from Serbia. I think it's 80% silver. And it's pretty expensive, and as you can see, it's actually in pretty good condition. VF, I would say. So I would say it's probably worth at least $20 to $30, that coin. But I'm not reselling this one. Oops. I'm not reselling it. This one is going into my collection. And another thing also has the same specifications as the French franc, because it's based on the Latin Monetary Union currency, which is based on the French currency. So the 2 and 5 dinar are the same as the 2 and 5 franc. But at this time, it was not actually in the Latin monetary system, because they actually broke down. So the base metal coins actually changed from the French ones. So anyway, nice coin. And I'm excited to actually have that. Anyway, these are the newest coins I actually got. And in the next video, or some video later, I've got a 1 kilo bag. We'll just see what I actually get. Thank you very much. I'll leave it here. I'll leave links down eBay so you can check to see if there's anything good to buy. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.